Have you ever caught yourself scrolling through social media, looking at someone else's seemingly perfect life, and then suddenly feeling like your own isn't measuring up? Don't worry, you're not alone. Comparing ourselves to others is something we all do, but the truth is, it can leave us feeling stuck, unworthy, and disconnected from our own potential. In today's video, I'm going to share 3 easy steps to help you stop comparing yourself to others and start embracing your unique journey. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable tools to quiet that inner critic and feel more confident in who you are. Let's dive in. Step 1. Shift your focus to your strengths. One of the main reasons we compare ourselves to others is that we focus on what we lack rather than celebrating what we have. Think about it. How often do you catch yourself admiring someone else's career, relationships, or achievements, while completely overlooking your own wins? Here's an exercise for you. Take out a notebook and list 3 things you're good at or proud of. Could be anything: your kindness, your sense of humor, or even how you handle challenges. The point is to consciously recognize your strengths. Remember, everyone's journey is different. The person you're comparing yourself to might excel in areas where you struggle, but guess what? You likely have strengths they don't. Focusing on your own abilities not only boosts self-esteem, but also helps you grow in your unique way. Step 2. Limit social media consumption. Let's be honest, social media is like a highlight reel of everyone's best moments. You see people traveling to exotic destinations, achieving milestones, and looking flawless. But what you don't see are the struggles and challenges behind those posts. If you find yourself constantly comparing your life to what you see online, it's time to set boundaries. For instance, schedule specific times of the day to check social media rather than mindlessly scrolling. You can also unfollow accounts that make you feel inadequate and replace them with ones that inspire and uplift you. A helpful mantra to keep in mind is, I don't need to compare someone else's highlight reel to my behind the scenes. Repeat this whenever you feel the urge to compare. By creating distance between you and those triggering posts, you'll give yourself the space to appreciate your own journey. Step 3. Practice gratitude daily. Gratitude is a powerful antidote to comparison. When you're grateful for what you have, it becomes easier to focus on your blessings rather than someone else's. Start a simple daily gratitude practice. Each night, write down 3 things you're thankful for. They don't have to be big. It could be as simple as having a roof over your head, a supportive friend, or even your favorite cup of coffee. Over time, this practice rewires your brain to notice the positives in your life rather than obsessing over what you think you're missing. Gratitude also shifts your perspective. It helps you realize that someone else's success doesn't diminish your own. The world has enough room for everyone to shine, and your path is just as valuable as anyone else's. And there you have it, 3 easy steps to stop comparing yourself to others. Shift your focus to your strengths, limit social media consumption, and practice gratitude daily. Remember, the only person you should compare yourself to is who you were yesterday. Progress is personal, and your journey is uniquely yours. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on personal growth and self-improvement. And let me know in the comments, what's one thing you're grateful for today? I'd love to hear about it. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep growing, keep thriving, and most importantly, keep being you. See you in the next video.